Good morning, guys. How you doing? If you want to boost your energy and blood flow and overall male vitality, I have a powerful ginger beet elixir for you. Ginger is backed by science to support blood flow. Beets are too. Ginger helps with your hormones, testosterone, prostate health naturally. Ginger's active compounds like gingerol and shawgol are both water and fat soluble. Gingerol is an anti-inflammatory and a circulation booster, dissolves well in water. But shawgol is a powerful antioxidant, testosterone booster, but it's more fat soluble. So we have to add some coconut oil to our mix to enhance the absorption, the entire absorption of the root, right? So I'm going to share with you my personal recipe. This is what I do. I make this at home in my kitchen. I use a NutriBullet extractor, but you can do this with a blender as well. A regular kitchen blender, just chop up the beets into smaller bits and cut up the ginger into smaller pieces, smaller bits. So this is what you need. 2 to 3 inches of ginger. All right, this is a powerful circulatory booster. I throw a whole lemon in there. You wash the skin, throw the whole lemon in there. Don't skin it, don't peel it. That's great for detox, and it's great for nitric oxide support. 1 small beet. This is like half a beet. I cut it in half already. It's packed with nitrates for blood flow, healthy blood flow. You're going to use either some pomegranate seeds, like a half a cup of pomegranate seeds, or a quarter cup of pomegranate juice, concentrated juice from supermarket. Get the good stuff. A half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's natural metabolic activator, good for blood flow. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. That's a booster for vitality. A half a teaspoon of coconut oil enhances ginger's absorption. 1 cup of water, spring water or coconut water for hydration. And, so not too thick so you can actually drink it. So you're going to blend this up for 30 to 40 seconds. Stop, blend it again. And you would drink this every morning, right? Every morning. Or you can drink this 30 to 45 minutes before any, intimate activity for best results. Don't strain it. Just add more water. You want all the pulp, right? So let's talk science. Research shows that there was actually a 2012 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that ginger extract supports prostate health naturally. There was a 2018 study in Biomolecules magazine that confirmed that ginger naturally supports testosterone production. And of course, beets and pomegranate also help for optimal blood flow, right? So, and this is a game changer, guys. It's a game changer for your blood flow. That's erectile, function. No more artificial boosters needed. You don't have to run to the gas station, to get your over-the-counter artificial help. All right. So try this natural elixir. You're probably going to need to do it for 2 weeks or so continuously to get long-term effects. And then, hey, let's get healthy.